Hello, Chipmunk Nation. I know it's been a while. I know you all missed me, but I've been doing big things. As you see here, we have a game that I played. I was feeling froggy, and I was like, well, why don't me go online, play against some random, play against somebody. You know, the guy was talking shit in the East Lobby, and he used the Philadelphia Eagles. And, he thought he was great. He was talking shit. He was saying how great he was, how nobody could stop him. But in the end, my defense is above par. It's greater than a lot of people think. And I think it's underrated, And so what I had to do was I had to show him what was going on. Now, as you see how the score, it got out of hand in the second quarter. Because as you see, 23 points compared to 8. I started letting him just have stuff, slacking off bullshit and trying new plays. But, it's okay. I mean, he tried. He was a trooper. I just want to shout out the whole Chipmunk Nation. The man is back. The CEO is back. He's been doing things. He's dominating on the sticks, playing college football as well. People they run and hide. They see my name, they run and hide. But it's okay. I challenge all comers. I back down from no one. It's okay. I think it's going to be a good year for Madden. It's going to be a good year for the nation, the nation has millions of fans. So it's okay. As you see right here, as you see the score, take a glance at it. Enjoy it. Savor it. Because remember, the star is always better. You're dealing with the best in the world, ladies and gentlemen. When I walk around, I carry a pipe bomb because I'm the best in the world. Okay? I don't ask a lot from you people, but when I deliver and say I'm going to deliver, the best in the world shows up. Enough said. I am done.